In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up delivery instructions with Amazon to ensure your packages are securely delivered to your Loxx Boxx. Step 1. Access your Amazon account. If you're an Amazon Prime member or a regular customer, start by logging into your Amazon account. Click on Accounts and Lists in the top right corner. From there, go to your Addresses tab. Step 2. Select or add an address. If your default address is already set up, click on it. If you need to add a new address, select Add Address and enter your details. Step 3. Add delivery instructions. Click Add Delivery Instructions. You'll see options to specify preferred delivery time, preferred delivery location, and most importantly, an additional instructions section. Step 4. Enter Loxx Boxx access code. In the additional instructions section, you have two options. Option 1. Use a dedicated code. Set a permanent access code for Amazon deliveries. Many Loxx Boxx users create a unique Amazon-specific code and use it consistently. Enter your preferred code in the instructions field. Option 2. Use the tracking number for one-time access. Amazon assigns a tracking number to each package. You can instruct the driver to use the last 4 digits of the tracking number as the Loxx Boxx access code. Step 5. Save your instructions. Once you've entered your preferred method, click Save Instructions. You'll receive a confirmation that your delivery instructions are now active. And that's it. Your Amazon orders will now be delivered securely to your Loxx Boxx every time. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your deliveries with Loxx Boxx.